So I got this really cool product I want to show you guys. It's this tiny little foldable shopping cart that can hold 330 pounds and also has a waterproof bag. You can use it for camping and other things, but we took it to one of these big box stores. We were able to put a ton of stuff inside of it and also roll it nice and easily across the store with no issues whatsoever, not having to use one of their carts. I was surprised at how much stuff we could actually fit inside of it and how organized it kept our groceries. And once we were done shopping, we just cinched the top up, threw the flap over, then we rolled it back out to the car where I collapsed the handle and was able just to take all my groceries without having to transfer them and set them right into our vehicle.
All right, so today you can see that we are using this nice little shopping cart. Now, I call it a shopping cart because it's so much more than a shopping cart. You can use it as a dolly, you can use it for shopping, you can use it for camping. It is waterproof. It does have this extremely durable outer layer that does repel water. So if it was raining on this, everything inside is going to stay nice and dry. You have a storage pocket right here on the front of the flap, but you also have a large pocket on this side, and you have a large pocket on this side as well. Another thing that I want you to notice are these large all-terrain wheels. They are ball bearing wheels, so they can hold up to 330 pounds. A lot of carts similar to this size can only hold like around 100 to 110 pounds. So 330 pounds is quite a large step up. It does fold very easily. As you can just push this down. And then once you push that down, you can just fold this part up, and you can actually make the footprint of this much smaller and more compact. But another cool feature about this is you can just take this off altogether, the bag, and you can carry it as its own bag. But the reason why I took the bag off is you can use this as a dolly. If you have a small piece of furniture to move, as long as it weighs less than 330 pounds, if you need to move a trash can or something heavy, you can put it on here and roll it around like a standard dolly. But you can see it's a very versatile cart to have. It's great for those big stores like we went to where they don't offer you bags and you have to box your own stuff up. It's really convenient to be able to come out of the store with all your groceries and just set this in the back of your vehicle. And then when you get home, you just take it out and roll it in and take everything out. And it helps keep it temperature controlled inside this nice bag. Keeps your groceries dry. It's easy to set up. As you can see, the bag just drops right over the handle. It folds up nice and compact. And it's a really solid little shopping cart. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.